हेलो गाइज, इफ यू लाइक माई वीडियोस प्लीज कमेंट कर दिया करो कि कैसा वीडियो बनाता हूँ मैं एंड ऑन व्हाट टॉपिक डू आई हैव टू मेक वीडियोस। प्लीज कमेंट करिए कि किस टॉपिक में मुझे वीडियोस बनाना है, कौन सा टॉपिक मुझे उठाना चाहिए आपके लिए, आप so that it can be helpful for you guys। तो प्लीज कमेंट करिए इफ यू लाइक। यदि आपको पसंद आता है प्लीज लाइक कर दीजिए और सब्सक्राइब कर लिया करिए एंड शेयर टू ऑल योर फ्रेंड्स हु आर वेरी क्लोज टू यू, अदरवाइज डोंट ट्राई टू सेंड। Okay, have a good day. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and this is Aditya Prajapati and some of the guys commented on my channel that how did you learn English, and I have to learn, bhaiya please tell me some tips, genuine tips, how can I learn this language, how can we learn this language. These types of comments I have read in my channel and I am going to tell how can you learn this language. I will tell all the tips which are very helpful for every beginner, because I have been in this process and I can relate to those guys who are beginner, who just want to improve this language and they are struggling. So I just want to be genuine with those guys who are genuine with me and they are learning this language and they are beginners, so they are struggling that what should we do so that we can learn this language very fast. So I'm going to tell the very important tips in this video. There are only 5 tips you have to follow. I already have told in my videos, and there are many videos I have uploaded on my channel in which I have told that you just have to follow these tips that I am going to tell. I am going to repeat in this video that you just have to be focused only on these 5 tips. If you are focused, you will definitely be able to speak very good English one or the other day, because these tips helped me a lot. Only because of this reason I am just telling you guys, because you are my brother and sisters, and if you like my videos then definitely like kar dena and subscribe to my channel. And guys, I am very genuine with you guys and I come from a very humble background. I come from Hindi medium background, from village areas, and even then I am able to speak very good English because I have practiced a lot. I have followed some tips that helped me a lot for becoming fluent. So I just started making videos so that I can help those who are struggling for learning this language and they come from very humble background but they want to improve their communication skills, their English. So I just upload these kinds of videos so that it could be very helpful for you guys. And guys, without wasting our time, let's get started. So guys, that I am going to tell only 5 tips that you have to follow. This is my second video on the tips that I am going to tell. Please do follow these tips. If you will follow, you will definitely be able to learn this language very soon. After 1 month, you will be able to speak very well, so that you can speak in front of your friends. You will not be feeling any kinds of hesitation while speaking if you are following these 5 tips that I am going to tell in this video. Guys, number one that I have to tell you guys is firstly, you just have to learn sentences. Firstly, you just have to focus on your learning. If you did not know anything about grammar, you just have to know about what are the sentences, the 12 sentences that you have to know a little bit about them, how to use helping verbs, how to use the main verbs, these kinds of very little information you just have to gain so that you can make the sentences for making the sentences. You just have to know about little bit about the grammatic things. This is essential. I will genuinely say about this. You just have to follow this. And firstly, you just have to learn some daily uses sentence so that you can speak in front of anyone. Daily use wale sentences you just have to learn. So this is my first tip that you just have to follow. Don't wait for tomorrow. From now, start learning now, and you just have to learn sentences. Stick with this learning process. And guys, number 6 is very important. Listening, guys. if you want to learn any new language, you just have to listen a lot, because you have never been in that process, in that language. So you will have to be in that language all the time. If you are listening a lot in English language, you will be able to learn this language very soon and very fast, guys. This is the very basic tip, very important and essential tip that helped me a lot. Believe me, guys, genuinely speaking, when I started learning this language, when I was beginner, I used to listen to a lot in this language. Whatever the things I used to watch only in English language, whatever the things I used to listen to, like songs, I used to listen to only in English language. I used to watch English vlogs. I used to watch America's Got Talent. That is an American, show. This is the biggest stage of the world, where there are many guys who come from very different parts of the world. So this helped me a lot. And guys, number 3 is, प्लीज लिसन करना है आपको बहुत ही अच्छे से. प्लीज एटलीस्ट आपको यदि आप इफ यू आर नॉट लिसनिंग टू इंग्लिश थिंग्स, यू जस्ट हैव नॉट टू लिसन हिंदी speeches or movies. You just have to listen everything in English language. And guys, number 3, you just have to do it speaking. Guys, without speaking, you cannot think about learning any language, any new language. For learning a new language, you just have to will have to learn, you just will have to speak in front of the guys, in front of your friends. You will have to you will have to get out from your comfort zone, so that you can speak, so that you can have that confidence to speak in front of anyone. So for building this types of confidence level, you will have to learn a lot, and after that you will have to practice a lot, and after that you have to speak in front of your friends. You can talk to your mom will never try to make fun of you, because every mom wants to see up. So this is what you have to do. You just have to speak whatever the things coming in your mind. You just have to try to speak all the time. So you have to think about in English, what can I speak now? What should I speak now? So whatever the things, whatever the sentences, vocabularies and everything is coming in your mind, you just have to speak. Don't think that I am speaking wrong, because in starting you will definitely be speaking wrong sentences. You will not be able to formulating the sentences in starting, but after some days, if you will practice it every day, so you will definitely be able to speak. The sentences will automatically come in your mind. You will be able to make the sentences. You don't need to think in English after some days, guys. So this is what I want to tell. Number 3 tip is speaking, guys. Without speaking, you cannot think about learning any new language. You will have to speak. Speaking is must for learning English language. And guys, number 4 you have to do is, guys, writing a diary. If you did not start writing anything in English language, you have to start, guys. It helped me a lot. Before you just have to write 1 or 2 pages every day before you go to sleep. So initially you just have to write 1 or 2 pages. You have to buy a small diary in which you can write 1 or 2 pages every day. Whatever the things you have done in your mind, it can be your waking up, your bathing, schooling, everything. Whatever you have done in your whole day, you just have to write in your diary. It will help you a lot, guys. Please do it. And guys, final tip, it is about working out. If you don't do workout in the morning or evening, please start doing workout, because it can help you to learn this language. Then you might have some question that how can it help me to learn this language? Because when you will do workout, you just need to watch some guided videos on by watching those videos you will try to do workout. At least 20-minute workout you have to do. It will not only help you to have healthy body, but also you will be able to improve your communication skills, you will be able to improve your English. So this is what you have to follow, guys. You just have to do workout exercises or yoga. You just have to watch everything in English language while doing yoga, so that if you will do it continuously, so it will help you a lot, guys. Believe me, it will help you a lot. This is what you have to do. These are 5 tips. I am going to repeat. Number one, learning. Number 2, listening. Number 3, speaking. Number 4, writing. And number 5, working out or doing exercises. So these are the 5 tips you have to follow in your whole day, otherwise you cannot learn this language. By following these tips you will be able to learn this language very soon. So this is what I wanted to tell in this video. If you like my videos, then definitely like it and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you can never miss my videos. And please comment on my videos, how am I making my videos, and on what topic do I have to make videos. If you like, please like her then. And have a good day. We'll meet in another video. Bye bye.